guys, this is Shivangi Lahoti aka your designer Didi, and I am here to answer some of the most frequently asked questions in the last 24 hours about Designer Shala and of course about the concept to creation fashion illustration master course. So let's quickly get to it. I know that a lot of you guys have already signed up for the course and I'm so excited and I can't wait for you to get started, but I also know that a lot of you are kind of on the fence, still deciding and still have a few doubts. So I have put together all the most frequently asked questions right here and I'm going to answer them at one go so that you can make a conscious decision. Okay, so let's quickly get to it now. Where is the course happening? The course is completely virtual, guys. It's not happening in a city. It's not happening in a location, in a classroom. The amazing part about this course is that it's completely going to be in a pre-recorded format which will be accessible to you 24/7 in a password protected environment. Alright, number 2 is what if you miss a class? As I said, you cannot miss a class here because it's going to be something which is pre-recorded and completely accessible to you 24/7 for a duration of 1 year, one entire year for you to complete this course. Although I would advise you to not take that much time, but quickly finish it so that you can kickstart your journey as soon as possible. But of course, keep practicing while you're at it. My number 3 question is, when does the course go live? The course goes live on 25th December 2020, which is Christmas this year. And yes, this Christmas is going to be extra magical and I'm so excited for all of you to join in and gift yourself this Christmas present. Your journey in fashion. What is included in the course is one of also the most requested questions. And well, this is going to be a 16 module course which will have downloadable templates. It's going to have multiple resources. It's going to have tutorials. It's going to have everything that you require to kickstart your journey in fashion illustrations and become a professional illustrator. We'll provide you with all the skills required and all the materials required so that you can kickstart your journey as soon as possible. I have my board examinations coming up and I do not know if I should enroll for the course right now, if it's going to start right now, if I should do it later. Well, guess what? I have a pre-booking offer which allows you to pre-book this course right now and access it for an entire 1 year. So you have the option to right now book it at the offer price and then start the course once you're done with your board exams, or also you have the option to enroll for it once you're done with your boards at full price. But this offer price is limited period only. So take a conscious call yourself. Alright, so another question that I keep getting is, do I get a certificate of completion after doing this course, or is it just something that I'm doing online? Well, yes, you will be awarded a physical and a virtual certificate of completion once you complete the course and you submit your final collection for me to review, which is a part of this program. Till when is the offer limited is another question that a lot of you guys have been asking me. So, well, the slots are limited and I have a set number of slots which I've decided for the course, and as soon as we fill the numbers, the course pre-booking offer would not be valid and we'll go on full price. Another question and the last question which has been asked so many times, what is the duration of the course? If you haven't understood by now, let me reiterate and tell you that this course is completely virtual and something that you can do at your own pace and your own space and your own time. So it's completely flexible and to each his own. Somebody might be able to finish this course within a month, somebody might be able to finish it in 2 months, somebody might take 3 months, but the way I have structured this course, it should ideally be complete in 2 months for you. It is an 8-week module which I've clubbed together and created this master course. And with that, I think I've answered all of your questions. So if you were on the fence abhi tak and still undecisive and still deciding if you should take up this course or not, I hope I've answered all your questions and all your doubts are now out of the window and you are, as we speak, on designershala.com signing up for the course and pre-booking. I'll see you guys inside the academy. Cannot wait for 25th December. Bye!